It's really bright outside. You're so short. You should just end up holding the camera.
We're at a park.
We're at a park. We'll be here later to do some... Definitely not B-roll crap. Actually, I shouldn't include that.
Going to brunch, because it's 10 o'clock.
It's breakfast time here in America.
Well, this place has brunch.
Oh. So we'll get breakfast or brunch or lunch, whatever you want to call it. And then we're going to go to the park today. That's the plan.
Very exciting.
Can't even see the light. It's so bright.
It's going to be a hot one today, folks.
All right, take a look at Courtney now. We're going to see how much of like Mr.
My
Crab...
sunburn progression throughout the day. This is right now.
Put a picture of Mr. Crab's reference of what she'll look like later.
I should have been at the suit.
That was nice.
Go, do it. Yeah. Thoughts about the Hershey Pantry?
Very good.
10 out of 10.
Our waitress was the best.
Best waitress we've
Shout
ever
out
had.
to Maddie.
Shout out to Maddie.
She wants us to watch Community.
Yeah, she told us to watch Community. And it's so short, I keep on forgetting. Alright, Courtney, pick a spot to go.
Huh?
I said pick an open spot to go. Here's 3? Where the hell is 3? Oh, geez. You want to go for 3? I was thinking like 7.
Okay.
Pro tip. Don't bring a bag to Hershey. You walk right in.
You get right in, get your ticket scanned, and we're ready to go.
Called exclusive to ride this ride. Alright guys, so Courtney and I just found out that you have to have the Call of Duty season pass to ride some of the rides. Who would have thought?
The 2 new rides.
The 2 new rides, you have to have a season pass. Also, this ride, you can't have cell phones and stuff in your pocket, and I didn't want to lose Antonio's camera, so we're just not gonna go on it.
Looks like something's burning.
Yeah, that's probably the hole in people's pockets after paying for the season pass for Hershey Park. All right, change of plans. Courtney and I are going to Zoo America. Every ride is closed, or you need a season pass.
Or the lines are literally like astronomically long.
Yeah, so we're going to the zoo instead.
Going to the zoo. I'm already sunburned. Here's an update.
Our favorite ride is the bathroom.
It's so cool in there.
It's right over there. It's amazing. Let's play I Spy. Where is it?
Our moccasins are kind of...
Mr. Krabs.
Mr. Krabs. Look at him. He's saying hi. Say hi, Mr. Krabs. Say hi, Mr. Krabs.
Hi, Mr. Krabs.
Is that all that's in here? Is Mr. Krabs? Why is there like pincers so like? Look. Well, that one's left-handed. He's left-handed.
Yeah.
He's right-handed. That must be so awkward to like walk.
Oh, crap.
Wow, he looks pretty wild.
Big boy.
What's his name? Big Boy?
Big boy.
He looks like he has fun.
He's looking at the corner.
Exactly.
He's sad.
Alright guys, spot the animal. Let me know where it is. What are we looking for?
Nothing. It's just plants.
Oh.
Look at this fella. It's pretty wild.
Whoa. There he is. Oh, there he is. He's getting away. Alright guys, find the owl. I can't tell you where it is because there's a glare. There he is. He's hiding. Why is he hiding?
We got him.
Oh, your face is so... I wonder, hey guys, can we find the alligator? It might be right there. This is American?
He's American.
He doesn't look...
Purebred.
Does not look very American. Can you do a crocodile snap for me?
That's an alligator.
Oh boy. Everybody, if you want to know how to corner glitch in Roblox, this is not how you do it. You need to stack on top of each other. So you can actually run. How does a coyote not catch that?
Beep, beep.
Oh no, that might be a quail in the tree.
Oh.
In the back. Do you see him in the corner camping in the tree? There's like 3 owls. There's one there, one behind the rock. One right here. way in the back. It's hiding. I'm seeing if the camera can see perfect in here. Yep.
He's in there?
Look down.
Oh, I see him
Look
moving.
at the camera. You can see it move
Yeah,
perfectly.
I see him moving now.
It's hiding.
He's licking.
It's just a cat.
What is that?
Right there.
Oh, that's just a
Sidewinder?
snake. Why does he have such a big cage?
He's so slow. Yeah, you can hear it. Actually see what it looks like.
Oh, he's part of the raccoon.
Really? He's snipping in the ball.
Oh my god. Stop, that's so cute. That's adorable. I'm gonna start crying. That is so cute.
He has anywhere to hide and he picks to be cramped up in a little bit.
He has this whole big house.
Very nature-like.
Going this way.
Oh look, they're attacking. Oh, they're giving me. Oh. Oh. It's like they're trying to give each other like an awkward best friend hug. They don't know how. Yeah, I know. Look, guys, and my dog escaped, and now he's sleeping in some animal habitat. Fly. You look great.
I'm sad.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
How would you rate the zoo experience?
There was no giraffes.
There was no giraffes. Did you still like it?
It was okay.
It's kind of just like backyard animals that are just dehydrated from the heat, but it was still pretty good first time.
6 out of 10.
All right, there we go. It's not bad. Do you know what the Pepsi Pop Star is?
No, we're gonna find out.
This looks epic. Is it like homemade Pepsi? Is this like Nuka World? Oh, it's up. Oh, it is. It's literally just a place where you buy Pepsi. That kind of looks sick. Guys, who would have thought this? But the place that is the Pepsi Star place just sells Pepsi. Did you? I thought they were gonna sell Coke there. This is my frozen banana review. Right. Eat the frozen banana.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I couldn't think of a rating. Whoa!
We're on a choo-choo.
Oh boy. It's going pretty fast. Surprised how like steady this is. It's like I have it on tripod. Alright guys, there's a season pass ride that you have to pay like $20 extra for. That actually looks really fun. It actually looks amazing.
Well, you can come up next. Keep that sweet high five going.
All the roller coasters are extremely long.
And we are sad.
We are sad. Goodbye, Hershey. We'll be back tomorrow. Oh boy. Maybe with the camera, maybe with not. Oh boy. You're walking. Yeah, you're walking into me.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. It's hot. Hey. All right, we'll just do a quick little test.
Okay.
Do some jumping jacks. Like, not really, but. All right, talk in the microphone.
I'm talking in the microphone.
Don't look at the microphone, look at
I'm
the camera.
sorry.
Oh,
no
boy.
I'm looking.
Okay.
Oh boy, now I'm looking at you. Now I'm looking at the camera.
Okay.
Now I'm looking over there.
What's
Oh,
over
boy.
there?
I don't know.
All right,
Sadly.
face the wind real quick and then start talking. Like, talk to like the soccer net.
I'm talking to the soccer net.
Okay.
Oh boy.
All right, we just got back from Hershey.
Ma'am, why are you doing that?
Oh, why am I doing what?
You have to talk to the camera.
All right, so we just got back from Hershey. It was pretty crazy. I'm filming now because we said we were gonna film here, and it's also like a pretty nice background, I would say. Surprisingly, there's no kids playing soccer.
Not yet.
Not yet. As the camera, you know, just gets by a soccer ball. We're going to eat dinner at
The mill.
We're eating at the mill. Now, this seems a lot more fancy than the Hershey pantry where I got caught with the camera, like red-handed. Play like what's the meme?
Maddie? Oh.
No, not the waitress name.
Oh.
What's the meme when you get caught and it's like the
I don't know.
I got caught. This place, I don't know if I'm gonna even film any of it, so there might just be like 2 pictures of our food and us having a good time. Brief update, how's your trip so far?
I'm burnt.
Okay.
And we don't have any water. We're starving.
So you guys know like Fallout survival mode?
That's what we are in right now.
Well, how happy are you?
Like a 6.
Like a 6?
No, I'll give you a 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
What if I said you're cute?
Oh boy.
What if oh boy.
A 6. Now I guess our game plan is we're gonna go back to our hotel. And
we're gonna get water.
We're gonna order some water from Sheets.
Are you actually only happy on a 6 out of 10?
No.
All right.
That's just for the camera.
What?
This is for the camera.
Oh, then what is in reality? Okay, let's put in
happy.
reality term. How
I'm happy.
How happy are you now?
Like a 9.
And then how happy do I make you?
Like a 10.
Okay. Well, that's good to know.
You need to calm down.
No, you need,
Why are you so stressed out?
because, Courtney, I love you so much.
What are you doing?
Will you marry me?
Stop. Are you joking? Are you joking?
Oh, this is the ring.
Yes. So married.
Are you sure?
Are you joking?
Doesn't look like I'm joking. I love you.
I love you too. Am I getting pranked?
Why would you think that?
Just kidding.
Wasn't that good?
Why are you laughing?
I'm not joking. Can I put it on your finger?
Yes.
Okay. Is it the left one?
Yes. Of course, that's the nail that's messed up too.
That's okay. Does it hurt?
No.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too. Do you want me to turn off Mr.
Yes,
Camera now?
please.
Okay. When did the suspicion kick in?
I had a feeling that it was gonna happen sooner or later because you've been hiding shit from me. Did you just see that tab that I had open? Oh, did you see that Snapchat ad? Oh god, did you look at my email? Oh god, did you see that?
Also, when you moved my bag, and I asked, because I had in there
Yep,
first.
that was one too.
I think I said, did you move my headset or something? Because I was like, ah.
You were like, where's the headset? It's like, he ain't looking for no damn headset.
That was the country part, by the way, that you have, that your friends say you have.
Oh, that's so good.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
There's like strawberries.
Vodka and I think there's rosé.
It matches your face.
Thanks.
What's your thoughts?
It looks good. It smells good.
It looks really good. Overall thoughts?
So good.
Would you eat again?
Yes.
Fantastic. Oh, she's eating a carrot. It kind of looks like a giant Reese's cup.
It does.
Review on the mill.
The meal was very good. We're going to Hershey Gardens.
We're going to the botanical garden where they have robot flowers. And then we're going to try to go back to the park. And then maybe ride a few rides.
It's supposed to rain tomorrow.
Yeah, and then while it's raining afterwards, we're going to go to the museum, which sounds...
And the beef jerky experience.
Yes, the beef jerky experience.
So we'll do as much as we can tomorrow. We'll do the garden, then we'll go to the park, see what we can do there, and then go from there.
Wow.
Of course, the one finger that chipped off is this finger.
That's how I knew. It wouldn't be us if it didn't happen.